Every time you eat sugar, your brain reacts, not just with pleasure, but with a powerful chemical response that can influence your mood, your focus, and even your long-term habits. What feels like a simple sweet treat is actually triggering a complex chain reaction inside your brain. Here's what's really happening. When you eat sugar, your body breaks it down into glucose. Glucose enters your bloodstream and quickly travels to your brain. In response, your brain releases dopamine, a neurotransmitter often called the reward chemical. Dopamine plays a major role in motivation and learning. It tells your brain, "This is good. Remember this. Do it again." The sweeter the food, the stronger the signal. That's why desserts feel satisfying. Your brain is reinforcing the behavior. Over time, repeated sugar intake can strengthen this reward pathway, making cravings more frequent and harder to ignore. Sugar also affects your energy levels. When blood sugar rises quickly, your body releases insulin to move that sugar into your cells. At first, you may feel a burst of energy, sharper focus, improved mood. But if the spike is rapid, the drop can be just as fast. As blood sugar falls, you may feel tired, irritable, or mentally foggy. This is often called a sugar crash. Your brain relies heavily on stable glucose levels. Sudden highs and lows can disrupt concentration and mood regulation. Because dopamine is involved in habit formation, repeated exposure to high-sugar foods can gradually change how your brain responds. Over time, you may need more sugar to feel the same level of satisfaction. Cravings can become stronger, not just because of hunger, but because your brain has learned to associate sugar with reward. This doesn't mean sugar is a drug, but it does mean your brain adapts to patterns, and frequent spikes in dopamine can shape behavior in subtle ways. Consistently high sugar intake may also influence memory and cognitive function. Some research suggests that long-term excessive sugar consumption may affect areas of the brain involved in learning and memory. Additionally, unstable blood sugar levels can increase stress hormone production, which may further impact mental clarity. Your brain functions best with balance. It prefers steady energy, not extreme swings. The goal isn't to eliminate sugar completely, it's to manage it wisely. Pairing carbohydrates with protein or fiber slows glucose absorption. Choosing whole foods over highly processed options helps stabilize blood sugar. And reducing added sugars gradually can retrain your brain's reward response. Your brain adapts to what you feed it, both chemically and behaviorally. The more stable your energy, the better your focus, mood, and long-term cognitive health. Sugar isn't just about calories, it's about chemistry, and understanding how it affects your brain gives you the power to make smarter choices, one bite at a time. If this video helped you in any way, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and share it with someone who might need to hear this.